speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? The noise is noising. We are on the road. Okay, so noise, and this particular phone I'm using has a very low volume. Though we are on the road, going to where to fix my phone. Like I've told you guys in some of my vlogs, the place is so far from where we stay. So, and my husband, being a very busy man, has not been able to find the time. So today I followed him. I told him that, you guys bear with all the noise. I told him that today is follow your husband to work, because it's like this thing is not going to work out until we make a move. So I followed him to work since morning, and the time is around, I think, after 2 right now. We are now heading towards where to fix the phone. Okay, he has been very busy, just because I have already come out, so we have to go. So that's the thing, and it is raining. So that's where we are going to now. Okay, my husband is driving, I am here, and we bought sugar cane. So let's go, guys. See you guys, bye.
This one, this one.
Are you hearing what she's saying? You're not even hearing. Hey guys, so we went to the shop to fix the phone, and they said to fix the phone is almost 100,000. So we're here looking for possibly another phone. All the phones are very expensive. Very expensive. So they're telling us about this Redmi. We want to check it out. That's what we're about doing. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, my journey today has been a long one. I am back to the house. My husband just dropped me off at home because I didn't drive. He told me to drive so that when we finish everything that I can just drive from his office, but I don't like driving so much, like, too much driving. So the thing is that we got there to check for the phone. They said they've not they've ordered the screen, but that it hasn't arrived. Then they told my husband that the screen was 70 something thousand, 73,000 or something. Then today they said that the price has changed, is now 100,000. So my husband was like, just for the screen, after they fix it, is another thing. So 100 and something thousand in total. So we decided to go to the other outlet you saw us check for phone. I'm like, how much is the new phone? You guys, phones are very expensive, honestly, very expensive. If you have any good phone, please do whatever it is to maintain it. All this falling on the floor, children playing with phone, should just stop, because if that one gets spoiled, for you to repair your phone or to buy another phone, very expensive with the dollar rate. So it's just so expensive. So the phones we're seeing, there is this Redmi 13 Pro something, 700 and something thousand, the other one 500 and something, 600 and something thousand. Then for Samsung, 1 point something, if you need a good quality phone, honestly. So I'm like, this is not, like, it's too much, it's just too much. So let me come back first and figure out what to do. Okay, so I don't want to buy a phone at impulse. Okay, even though I know I need it, but it's just crazy. And the reason why I need that phone is because of all the stuff I have going on inside. If not for those things, I wouldn't bother. Now my camera and the lens issue is another thing. Even when you have camera, you still need a good quality phone, because you cannot do it alone with just your camera. There are sometimes you need phone, like all this running around. I'll be running around. Phone will do me a lot of good than me carrying camera, doing all of those things. It's just so crazy. So I need the phone, but I don't want to buy phone at impulse, since this one cannot be fixed. Instead of me using, I don't know, please, what do you guys suggest? Because at this point I'm not going to do anything until I post this video. Please, what do you guys suggest? Should we go ahead and fix the phone with 100 and something, or should I just go and buy quality new phone? You know, it's just, that's the spot I am now. So I came in just to carry the car and go and pick my kids. And it's been raining, like it's been raining since today. I think it started raining since midnight. Then since today it's been raining, and the time is after 4. So I'm going to pick the kids. So I couldn't go to check on the where I bought my gas. So maybe that one will be like tomorrow. I need to go come back, and today is Bible study. I need to go come back, cook rice. I don't know if we're going to make it for Bible study today as it is now. So yeah, let me pick my kids first. Enough of the talking. Catch you guys later. Guys, I didn't tell you that going to my husband's office today in me some cabbages. I'm like, I was telling his secretary that I'm going to come to work tomorrow. If this is how you people make money, like every day you come here, you make money, then expect me tomorrow. So she was like, so people were coming, greeting, you know, other wife. It was so funny. So this man just came, you guys. This man just came this morning, okay? This man just came, and after exchanging pleasantries, he doesn't know me. My husband was like, here's my wife, meet my wife. And the man just said, hey, madam. He just, you know, started counting money from his purse and gave me. Not only this one is one. I just folded all of them in sequence. And then another person came and gave me money, you guys. I've not counted. Another person came. I said, hey, madam, you came to visit us today. Hey, what can we use to make cola for you? He gave me money. So you guys, I went today to make money without working. So I told them, come in now. So I told them that I'm coming to work tomorrow, okay? Oh yeah, I'm coming to work tomorrow. And yeah, oh my God. So I made money. I made money. Alright, I'll pick them. Can you guys say hi?
Hi.
How was school?
Bye.
Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I just left the market. I went to pick my tomatoes and yeah, a little meat, because like most times I feel tired defrosting the meat in the freezer. because we've not had light like the whole of Port Harcourt. I don't know, I'm not really sure the whole of Port Harcourt, but there has not been light like everywhere. So I don't know if it's the whole of Port Harcourt, but majority no light. So just brought the light as I came back. So I bought meat. I also bought fresh tomatoes and plantain. I want to make stew and then jollof rice. So that's what I want to do. And then yeah, stay tuned. Say hi.